The feel of your gear shift is something you interact with every single mile, and upgrading it can instantly improve both comfort and style inside your cab. This Grand General gear shift knob is designed as an OEM replacement fit for Eaton Fuller 13 and 18-speed transmissions from 1998 and newer that use the slope-shaped design. It delivers a clean, professional look while restoring the solid feel your transmission deserves. Crafted from premium hard plastic with an elegant wood finish, this shift knob brings a classic appearance that blends perfectly with modern and traditional truck interiors alike. The smooth surface feels comfortable in hand during long hauls, while the durable construction ensures it stands up to daily use without cracking, fading, or wearing prematurely. It is a direct fit replacement that installs using your existing mounting hardware, making the upgrade simple and hassle-free. This gear shift knob also includes a matching top insert, giving your shifter a complete and finished appearance right out of the box. It is sold individually and is ideal for drivers looking to replace a worn, damaged, or outdated knob without modifying their shifter assembly. Please note that this model is designed for Eaton Fuller 1998 and newer slope shape applications and will not fit older D-shape original knobs. Grand General has been a trusted manufacturer of premium truck accessories since 1984, known for combining style, reliability, and practical design. This shift knob reflects that commitment by offering a balance of visual appeal and dependable performance. Whether you are refreshing your interior or simply replacing a tired original part, this knob gets the job done cleanly and effectively. If you want to enhance your driving experience with a simple yet noticeable upgrade, check the link in the video description to purchase this gear shift knob today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more quality truck accessories and upgrades designed to keep you comfortable and confident on the road.